The Carmichael project is the first coal mine in the Galilee Basin. It's a thermal coal mine, open cut. We run a CHPP, which consists of a bypass and a wash plant, loading coal onto the trains for export overseas. So DRA's involvement in the Carmichael project has been right through from the original design of the wash plant, through construction, and now in the operation and maintenance phase. We're now currently operating and maintaining the CHPP. Pretty much everything from the ROM bin through to the TLA is what we look after.
The unique skills that we brought to this project is we're one of the few companies globally that actually design, construct, as well as operate and maintain processing facilities. So that's sort of a fairly unique proposition that we've been able to give to our client. Now, the other key aspect of this project is that we've actually been operating just over 4 years with no lost time injuries, which is quite unique for when you look at, we've done all the construction work here as well as the operations and maintenance. Now, I joined this organisation to help establish an operations and maintenance business in Australia. And the fact now is that we've established our first long-time contract in Australia, and it is quite a significant contributor for the APAC business. So I'm looking forward to continuing to grow the business and continue for it to be a significant part of what we do.
Our relationship with Bravas is positive, open communication, and two-way, which results in improved performance results in terms of safety and operational excellence. Here at Carmichael, we have over 65 DRA employees in different departments, from operations, maintenance, process, HR, safety and administration. The culture at Carmichael is that of an inclusive family culture, embodying the values of DRA, which is safety, integrity, respect, excellence and courage.
One career highlight for me since I started out here with DRA Global at the Carmichael project is seeing the team develop and make sure that we're hitting our targets, breaking those records and sending everyone home safely. Why I love working out here for DRA Global will be the exact same answer that you get from everyone else that's been out here. Our culture, our people and the mutual respect we got for each other is second to none.